Going in live right now.
Yeah.
ASAP Rocky.
Catch you riding, leaning, cruising at my old school. I don't mess with bros who got on coat shoes. These is Louboutin, call them boat shoes. You know I get my vocals on that Pro Tool, yo, old fool. No, I come through, shop at Whole Foods. Eating so good, and this is one of my old tunes, my old flows. And I got some old goons, some more goons, so come through, you get...
Hold up, I got you back. ASAP Rocky and the hard body, pulling up on that MLK. Inside like teriyaki, outside like new Versace. Showing off, south side I be going off. Freestyling with the ASAP. Rock Mob, we showing off.
Showing off. After that, they flowing off. Radio, play it all day, and we tilters going off. You got dreads, I got hair from the chick in the back sitting. Then you know I'ma have to go and pay a tax, cause Obama he gon' win it, and Mitt Romney he ain't beginning, cause we do it to the end. And I said that I be spinning, I be sipping on that syrup, and I do it till I'm
syrup in 2 white cups, pulling up, hopping out. Who gon' vote for Obama? Hands up, you know what we talking about. We just representing that H. He representing that NY. My top right now, polo denim. And I am too fly. May need a plane, may need a coat. Need a car, might need a boat. Pulling up, I'm 2 white cups. RP to that Big Mo. RP to that Pimp C. Freestyle list going down. ASAP Rocky and hard body finna put it down on 97.9. Hold up, it's going down right now. ASAP Rocky in the building. Good freestyle, man.